In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to debloat Windows 11 with just a few clicks. All right, guys, so for today's tutorial, we're using a software that was developed, and it's actually a very, very cool and useful software. The software is called WinHance. Just going to type that into Google, and we'll find the winhance.net, the official website. We'll just click the first link at the top. From here, we'll click download in the top right. That's going to download the exe installer. And that downloaded really fast, so I'll simply click to open it. Here, I'm going to click install for all users, and I'll select yes. Okay, this brings up a license agreement, which of course we need to accept. We'll press next. I'll leave the default location installation. I'll press next. We'll go with a regular installation as well. And I'll press install. We must restart the computer, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. All right, our computer is restarting. And once we're back in, let's go ahead and type WinHance. Okay, inside of our C disk and program files, we have WinHance. So I'll go ahead and run the application. You should be able to search for it as well. It's creating the configuration backup. All right, and here we are inside of WinHance. I'll go ahead and make this full screen. The first thing is we actually have a little customization menu here. If we want to make it look a little bit nicer, we can actually change our theme just like Windows. So I'll go ahead and put it in dark mode. Okay, and this is WinHance. If we look to our left, we have a navigation pane similar to the Windows settings menu. And the main page that we're going to use for debloating is software and apps. And this is where we can get the single click that I mentioned earlier. So before we actually install or uninstall these services, note that the green is telling us what is currently installed and the red is telling us what's not installed. The safest option is to go ahead and remove anything that you don't need. So even if I don't need Skype, if I don't need Paint 3D, I'll go ahead and check those when I do the debloat just to be safe. And at this point, we can just kind of discern what it is that we actually want to remove or keep. I'm going to select absolutely everything. And I'm just going to start with that. And I'm going to uncheck what I do want to keep. I want snipping tool. I want OneDrive. I want Notepad. I want photos. I want Edge. I'll do alarms and clocks. And for Windows capabilities, I'll take a look at those as well. I'll keep PowerShell and the legacy Notepad. And I'm going to keep Hyper-V and Hyper-V management tools for my virtual machines. We'll also want to uncheck hypervisor platform for that and sandbox. And okay, so I've selected everything. All we have to do at this point is press to uninstall selected items. We're going to also save removal scripts to ensure continuous removal. And I'll press continue. And the bloat removal has started. We're just going to let it do its thing. All right, and that is all there is to it. We have successfully debloated our machine, which is going to be evident just by pulling up our start menu. Look at how minimal that is compared to how it was. And so we can take this a step further by, we have an optimize tab. So we can adjust things like our privacy and security here. For example, I want, for ads, suggestions, and promotional content, I want to deny everything. So that would be a change that I would make right off the bat. But we have a lot of other features here that we can access as well. We have a button for advanced tools. We're not going to get into that today. And then we also have settings where we can simply just adjust the settings of WinHance itself. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that tutorial, let us know in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. If you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo software. We'll have the links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to know what those are. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.